Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you these three awesome slimes. This one's my purple slime, my pink cotton candy slime, and my galaxy slime. So I'm going to put these two to the side and show you guys my pink cotton candy slime. So I'm going to open the container. And I'm gonna show you guys this one. I'm going to put this container to the side. It's clicky and it makes bubbles, and it's crunchy with bubbles when it does that. It's pink and it has a little bit of glitter in it. It's very stretchy. It's not sticky at all. It's a pretty pink. So let's get on to the other slime. I'm going to put this one back over here. This is my purple slime. This one it makes bubbles like the other one. Oh, that was a bad bubble, but I can do better of a bubble. It has foam balls in it. It has a little bit of glitter. I don't think you guys can see it. It's purple. It's very crunchy. And that's it for this slime. Now we're going to go on to the galaxy slime. So I'm going to take some of it out. I'm going to put it in my hands. So this one is my blue sparkling slime. That's what I call it sometimes, because I don't know what to call it sometimes because I forget. So this one has glitter. It's blue and it's crunchy. It doesn't make very big bubbles because I didn't take the whole thing out. So yeah, for this slime I like this slime. So I'm going to put it back in the container. Comment down below which slime is your favorite. And subscribe and give me a thumbs up.